Hi all of you. Today is the day when I am starting your JavaScript. So this is the first day of JavaScript. So let's get start. Uh, I think let me just make a new file, which is my 29th file. Okay. So let me make it new file. Hash 29.html. I can make a JavaScript file as well, but I show you how can you write JavaScript uh, in this like in HTML file. Okay, so let me write some heading. Like heading should be like JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. Uh, Wait a minute. JavaScript. Yeah, I think this is my heading. You can write like by adding a script inside head. Okay, like script like this script. In this you will write your JavaScript. Let me show you how to print a string, a sentence in a JavaScript. So by you can print by using console. Okay, let me write it console dot log. So this is your uh, you can say your command for that console dot. In this, after that you can write parenthesis. In that you can write like a string, like uh, this is my first video on JS, means JavaScript. Let me save and open live server for you all. So as you can see that this is your that JavaScript. Okay, this is your heading, but I have printed this is my first video. Where is that? You can't see because that is your programming language. This is not JavaScript is not used for designing part. Okay, that is used for functioning of your website. So it is behind your website, you can see that. Okay, so when you inspect, so in this element section you will see that your CSS and HTML. But when you go in console, you can see this is my first video. Let me reload, so you can remove this live reload enabled. Okay, now you can see that this is my first video on JS. So there is your JavaScript. Whenever you want to see your JavaScript, you can see in here this console section, in this console. Okay, so let me write another one like console dot log. Anything you can write, like you can write in a single these single commas as well. So I can write like my name my name is Saitya Gupta. Okay, so this is my name. Let me save it by pressing Ctrl plus S. Okay, now it's time to see. Let me refresh. You can see first it's time to refresh. Uncaught reference error, console log not defined. Why this error is coming? Console.log. I think I should add semicolon. Uh, yeah. Now it's time to refresh. It is not going because I think it not supports single commas. It only supports double inverted commas. Okay, I think uh, this will remove this error. It is not going. Why this is not going? Console.log. uh, why this error is coming? Let me see it again. Inside the script there is your, yeah, everything is alright. Let me check it. So let me check it. Okay, let me little bit zoom in. Why it is going? Why it is zooming out? I am zooming in. Let me, actually there is a problem. Let me see why it is. Let me uh, refresh it. It is not going. Let me again inspect it. It is coming small. Why it is coming small? I don't want. I think this is enough. Yeah, let me see what is that error. Uncaught reference console log is not defined. Stable 10.9. 10.9 console dot log. This is my first. Let me add space. I think there is no need to add space. Why this error is coming? I don't know. It is not going up. Why this is not going up? Uncaught HTML hashtag my name is Sahitya Gupta. So error in this line. Why? Okay. I got it. You can see that it supports single inverted commas, but there is a error. You can see that there is a conalo. What is con coneole? But I don't know how that sounds. So I just want to correct this console dot log. My name is Sahitya Gupta. Okay. If I do again refresh, let me do it. Let me cross it here. How can I go back? Let me do it here. Yeah, so you can see my name is Sahitya Gupta. It is showing. Okay, it is showing. It means it supports single and both inverted commas as well. So yeah, in this video I just want to show you how things are printed in this in JavaScript. So that is your you can say your command for that console.log. Like in Python, you can, if you have watched my Python videos, you know that in Python we use print for printing the statement, but in JavaScript you use console.log. And I think this is pretty much about for today, and I will be showing you some more things in my later videos on JavaScript. So just stay tuned, and I will be meeting you in my next video.